Have you ever wondered how people following a plant-based diet get all the essential nutrients they need, especially one that is famously tied to animal products? It is a question often asked, and today we are going to shine a light on one of the most important and sometimes misunderstood vitamins. For individuals on a vegan diet, vitamin B12 primarily comes from fortified foods and reliable supplements. Unlike many other vitamins, B12 is not naturally produced by plants, making strategic intake absolutely essential for health and well-being. It is a vital nutrient, and fortunately, there are many ways to ensure you get enough. The reason B12 is not found reliably in plant foods is fascinating. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is actually produced by specific microorganisms, namely bacteria, not by plants or animals themselves. Animals obtain B12 by consuming these bacteria, often through contaminated soil or water, or by bacterial synthesis in their own guts. Since modern food hygiene practices greatly reduce bacterial contamination on produce, and plants do not synthesize B12, vegans must turn to external sources. It is crucial for nerve function, red blood cell formation, and DNA synthesis, playing a fundamental role in your energy levels and overall cognitive health. Without sufficient B12, you could experience fatigue, weakness, or even more serious neurological issues. Ensuring adequate B12 intake as a vegan is straightforward. Look for foods that are specifically fortified with vitamin B12. Common options include plant milks like almond, soy, and oat milk, many breakfast cereals, and some nutritional yeast products. When shopping, always check the nutrition label to confirm that B12 has been added. Additionally, while some fermented foods or algae may claim to contain B12, these often contain B12 analogs that are not bioavailable to humans, meaning your body cannot properly use them. Relying on these sources is not recommended. A useful tip for ensuring you get enough is to be familiar with the two main forms of B12 used in supplements and fortified foods: cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is the most stable and widely studied form, and it is generally very effective. Methylcobalamin is another active form, though it can be less stable in some products. Regular blood tests for B12 levels are also an excellent way to monitor your status and adjust your intake as needed, allowing you to proactively manage your nutrition. By incorporating B12 fortified foods and considering a high-quality supplement, you can confidently meet your vitamin B12 needs and maintain optimal health on your vegan journey. This proactive approach ensures you enjoy all the benefits of a plant-based diet without compromising on essential nutrients, keeping you energized and thriving.